Hey everyone, so some of you have been asking me what is it that inspired me to become a coach and why is it that you might perhaps look at becoming a coach. Let me give you a quick background, and I've explained this in other videos and my blogs too, that when I started my journey I had no idea where to plug in, I had no idea where to ask questions, who to ask questions and what exactly I need to do to be successful with my fitness journey. I found my coach online and I was blown away with his transformation. I wanted to do what he did. I was associating myself with my coach for a long time, asking him a lot of questions, plugging into the groups, asking for support all the time, and all this was free, by the way. As a customer or as a consumer, I found this the coaching, the whole coaching thing very interesting because I could now plug in, I could ask questions to my coach. So my coach was and is a very genuine coach. His support to me is and was something that I would be very thankful for. And I kind of wanted to get over a few bullet points, whether or not the coaching opportunity is for you or not. Perhaps you might consider this, you might not. Depends. It's up to you. But I just want to throw it out there. If you have the information to make a choice. So there are two aspects to Beachbody coaching. Number one aspect is many people actually sign up just for the discounts. Now it's a membership. You pay $40 upfront and $16 each month to keep your membership alive, and you get 25% off of anything that you buy from Team Beachbody. This 25% membership, it makes perfect sense for someone who is using a Beachbody product regularly on a monthly basis. For instance, Shakeology. If you are on Shakeology, you're paying $120 each month. Instead, you could you might consider becoming a coach just for the discounts, and you get a 25% off, which comes to $90, and the $16 goes towards your membership, which is $106. So you still come out $14 ahead each month, even if you're not even coaching anyone. And by the way, you don't really have to coach anyone. It's a membership, so it's up to you. And I'm talking about just Shakeology. You might be perhaps taking multivitamins, protein bars, whey protein, any workout programs, and many of the things from Team Beachbody. The line of products has increased, so you have better options, better choices today than what was perhaps 2-3 years back. The second aspect is what I've stepped into, and that's the part where you help people. When I started my journey, I had nobody to look up to, and I found my coach online to help me with my journey. And now I want to plug in and be a part of the system and help people. If you have the money, you hire a nutritionist, your choice. I want to go the long-term way. I want to learn. I don't want to depend on anybody else. I want to learn myself, and that's why I got into coaching. How is it a win for you? You get a free Beachbody coach. Someone who's been through this journey, someone who can help you get to where you want to be in the most efficient way possible. And I've said that in another video. I'm going to say this again. Seriously, having a coach can get you there in the best way possible. Don't ignore this opportunity that you have in front of you, and learn from the coach and see if the coaching opportunity is for you. How's it a win for Beachbody? They don't have to pay me a salary. I'm not a full-time employee with them, and I'm here sharing my journey with you. Now the coaching aspect helps me with a couple of things. As you buy any products from my website or from teambeachbody.com, as long as I'm your coach, I get a 25% fee from Beachbody. A very big aspect of coaching is the emotional satisfaction that I have of helping and changing people's lives. That is, to me, the most gratifying part. The one thing that I want to tell you is this opportunity, or this signing up as a coach and just being out there on YouTube, Google, on my website, gives me a subconscious accountability factor. Meaning I am online now, I am live right in front of you, telling you what works for me, telling you that I'm going through a fitness journey. Now I would find it very hard to slack back. I don't want to go back to my old junk eating habits. So when I have an email or a message from one of you that asks me, hey Vivek, what are you eating now? What are you working out now? Are you on a workout program? How would it feel if I say, I am not on a workout program and I'm not eating healthy? How would it feel? I want to keep myself in the game. Now that is a win for me. Most often people fall back because they don't have a support group in place. They don't have anyone to fall back on. Another aspect of becoming a coach is you associate yourself with like-minded people who have the same goals and share the same journey as you. Regular people from regular lifestyles, people having full-time jobs, people having families, people having children, to balance everything and learn from them itself is a great experience in itself. I was reading this book by Jeff Olson. It's called The Slight Edge, and it says you become the average of the 5 people closest to you. When you start associating with people who are into fitness, who keep a healthy lifestyle, who lead by example, you start to think like them. They start to think like you. You impact people, people impact you. When you start this journey alone, I can tell you for a fact you will face negativity, a lot of negativity. And you will be surprised with the people whom you expected support from will not support you. Subconsciously or consciously, they will feel you're different. They will feel that you're not one of them anymore. A lot of negativity coming in. I like to always cite this example. Perhaps it is a little extreme. You have a friend who is trying to give up smoking. Would you offer him a cigarette? You would not. Same thing with someone trying to lose weight. It is probably, like I said, it's an extreme example, but you see the correlation. What I'm trying to make here is, if somebody is trying to lose weight, you don't offer him a cake. You respect that opinion. You respect that decision. And family and friends have got to respect that decision. Sometimes you might not find that. The support groups, in fact, help you plug in and let you know that you're not alone with this journey. And you're not the only one facing negativity. I used to think I was the only one facing negativity, but no, that's not true. Or most of the people that I have talked to have faced negativity at one point or the other. So dealing with negativity is another aspect that becoming a coach helps you deal with that negativity, because you know you're surrounded by positive people to deal with that kind of negativity. That's one aspect of coaching that I really like, that I have now surrounded myself with so many positive people. I know I appreciate the fact that out of so many people all over the world, I know there are some people in my team as part of Team PowerX, and I am able to help them make the right choices, make the right decisions. Negativity or any other kind of the social environment that you have will impact you. It will affect you, and you will try to fit in. When you try to fit in, you try to make people happy and you give into their expectations. You make them happy for a while, but you give up on your long-term goals. And with the social support and having a coach or becoming a coach really can minimize that effect. I'm not saying it just from a business point of view. I'm saying it for your own fitness sake. This might be something you might be interested in. If you're already spending money on Beachbody products, perhaps be a good time to sign up as a coach just for the membership. The business opportunity is there. Let's be honest. It's tough. It's hard work. Just like with the workouts, it is hard work. But the business opportunity exists. People always want to get fit. People everywhere want to get fit. They just don't know where to start. And plus, they've always seen infomercials on TV, which is all the highly paid actors and models. When you see real people with real results, you start believing in the product more. That's what happens when you see one of your neighbors having a big belly, and 3 months later the neighbor comes up, rings your bell, and you see a lean body with a six-pack abs, and you start believing in the product more, because you know this is not a paid actor. This is someone you know in real life situation that has done this, and that has gone through this journey and did it with along with a regular lifestyle. What you see at your doorstep is not a paid commercial. It's real people, real results. So that is what it is about, the whole credibility factor. Once you are already a part of system with Beachbody, you know you're getting results. You know that this system is very well laid out. You know the system is well researched, and you know the system is worth the money. It makes sense to become a coach further discounts, and it makes sense to take it a step further. It is entirely up to you, but I wanted to throw this out there. So I hope this video helps you understand why I became a coach, what are my logical reasons for becoming a coach, what are my emotional reasons for becoming a coach. This might perhaps answer a question that you may or may not have, subconsciously or consciously. Now you have the information to decide. Thank you for watching this video. Take care and God bless.